Hello, Professor Candido here with a quick video to show you how to upload your first coding assignment. So here you are in Blackboard, and you should go under Assignments. And you should see your first programming assignment, Code Interplanetary Weights. And we're going to come back on how to do the upload, but you got to know where the file is before you upload it. So I have two samples here. I have a Hello World in idle, and I'll have one in PyCharm. So you have to save it, and you can do a file save as, and notice it will make note of where you store it. And if you're not sure where you store it, open up the file and do a file save as, and it will show you the default location where it is. I'm going to show you a trick. If you right click and say copy address as text, you can use that when uploading it to Blackboard. I'll show you how easy it is. So hello world upload. You can leave the PY off because it will do it for you automatically. You run it, and you see it works beautiful. Also, I have a sample in PyCharm. I have another Hello World program right here, and if you're not sure where it was stored, right here it shows you C users BL Candido PyCharm projects Hello World. So you have to make note of where the file is stored, either in idle, like I just showed you, or here in PyCharm. Now you go to Blackboard. You click on the assignment when you're ready to upload it. You scroll down where it says Browse My Computer, and you navigate to where you stored it. Remember, in idle, you can do a file save as to find out where the location is. Or you can go into PyCharm, and at the top of the project it shows you where the file name is. Remember how I showed you how I right-clicked and got text? I can paste it right there, hit enter, and you can see the Hello World upload is right here. You click open, scroll on down. You can put a comment to me if you'd like. Hey, I gotta learn how to type. Just uploaded. I really have to learn how to type. And click submit. Easy as 1, 2, 3.